Alright guys, I want to give you an update on Jenny's fursuit. She has been slowly working on this. This is, we had to wrap her entire body. As you can see the pictures I'm showing right here. This is her with body wrap. And then we had to cut it loose and then she stuffed it. So here it is, stuffed. How's that look?
Yeah, this is good. Lift her up a bit more.
Here it is stuffed. And what she's gonna do is she puts, all right, Jenny's gonna bring it over. This is Jenny's actual body. You can see her feet, the whole deal. This thing's a little heavy. We had a little blowout already with Jenny, taped that up. I mean, we got like...
There's a sleeping bag in there and
sleeping
socks.
bag in there. Socks we don't use. This arm's a little deflated, but whatever. So we use this, and then then we went and got some nylons.
Some thick ones.
And then the nylons, you slide it over this mannequin we made. Okay, you slide it over it, and then you start taking the foam. We went and purchased foam, different shapes and style of foam. It's to what she wants the body to look like. So now you put that on the body and you start putting how you want the legs, how thick you want the legs and the feet, how you want the feet to be formed.
Only one of the legs is done.
We're gonna have Jenny put this on herself because we're actually gonna have to do some gluing, hot glue, while it's on her. Why are we doing it while it's on you?
Because it just gets confusing. Because Dren's legs don't go apart very much, and there's a lot of in between the legs.
So this is this phase. It's gonna take a long time. I mean, we still have to find the fur on the line to put it on here and stuff.
I know what fur I want.
This one half is actually done. Let's have Jenny put it on, and we're gonna see how it looks.
Hold on. You gotta show what I'm wearing.
Okay, Jenny has. What do you got? Why do you have that on you?
So, this is so that like, one, it doesn't seep through onto my skin because it'll go through the tights pretty easily.
What'll go through?
The glue.
What
else? And it's also so that it doesn't get too hot. I have on a pair of very thick leggings.
Right.
A pair of like knee-high socks. And a pair of sliding shorts.
All
and
right.
then this really, really thin pair of tights so that it doesn't seep up into the winter.
Okay.
Don't worry
So
about
basically,
that.
you're protecting yourself.
Yeah.
Plus, you're gonna have that
And
thing
plus,
on.
since these leggings are my favorite.
Okay, and you can see she's been working on this today, so up here is a little bit of a train wreck. All right, here goes Jenny. She's gonna pop these, pop them on real easy.
Bro, this ain't easy.
All right. See how easy?
See how easy this is?
And she has the one side. I'll show you in a second.
Hold on.
She's getting it. She's getting it. All for fun. I'm sorry about my voice. It's a little. I have a cold once again. So. All right.
Hold on.
You almost look like somebody from Halo. Your legs.
What?
What? Halo?
Played Halo.
I know.
I've never seen somebody play Halo.
All right. So you can see her left side over here is that your, no, that's your right side. Her right side is, what, this is the left side. Her right side is basically all shaped. Her feet, and then tonight I have to help her with this side.
This is this side.
Right.
You're pointing to this side.
I know, I said this side's all shaped.
No, you're pointing to the opposite one.
Honey, I can see on the camera.
Well, does it look different?
No, this side. Okay, now turn around. And then, so yeah, so we got to shape this side over here exactly like the other one. So it's going to take some gluing. You can see the pieces are sort of coming off, or not fully fastened. So what we have to do first is fasten them correctly, and while she's wearing it, so it'll fit together. You can see her 2 feet down below there. Let's see. So we got to form the one. Jenny's going to be able to form it because she can reach that. Some of the stuff she can't reach, so I'm going to help her. So that's where we're at right now. We have to form these out, and then, I don't know, she said something about her upper body. She's going to do what? What are you going to do with the upper body?
Nothing.
Huh?
Nothing.
And we got to make the head still. We're contemplating doing
Resin.
a resin head, which we can find on YouTube somewhere how to do that. That's it. This is the update. So we have been working on it. Jenny has been working on it. Anything else? Oh, she's also in the process of making her friend some sack paws. Yeah, we had that in the other video. So we have the, well, yeah. So that's that. The update.
Okay.
That's Jenny.
Help me.
Wait, let's look at the side view. There's a side view of Jenny's.
Don't look at this leg.
Yeah, so that's kind of like the finished leg right here. It looks pretty cool. So once the fur gets on it, the fur will, so this is going to be a tight suit. So some people have a loose suit. This is is actually a tight fitting suit. And she's doing an awesome job on it. So she's doing it. And it looks pretty cool. And we will see you when it's done.
Can we finish it tomorrow?
No. We'll try to get your leg done though. Get the other leg done tonight and move along. We're just gonna glue this back on here. We're gonna glue this on here. And
you gotta add like, see how this one like softens out into the paw? How do you say that?
what?
This part, it like folds down to the paw. We gotta add that to this
Oh,
side
yeah.
too. Yeah, okay.
And we got a hot glue gun. Be very careful with this because this hurts like the dickens. If you touch it. Jenny, I can't believe you almost did that.
I've done it a few times.
Are you on the spot?
Yeah, in my little
Here we go.
spot.
So I think what I'm going to do is put some on here and then push it.
Yeah. Which is holding nicely.
Yeah, we just need to get down there by your knee.
Right here.
Why don't you lay down?
My other leg's gonna be in the way.
That's fine. There you go.
Okay. Dad, it's stuck everywhere. What's wrong with you?
I'm not the one who does this professionally.
Neither do I.
Did you push it down from what I had already?
What is this?
I don't know.
You don't know.
Jenny? Okay, where are we cutting? How are we cutting this?
You gotta make it look like this side.
I ain't gonna be able to do that.
Yes, you can.
So what I do, just start going like this.
Yeah.
We're gonna start cutting this piece here to make it look like that over there.
You gotta cut both the top and bottom piece.
If we were only Edward Scissorhands, we'd be able to tear through this up like crazy.
Passing the torch.
The buck.
Passing the torch. Dad, you're cutting way too far. Dad, be more majestic.
Sit
Sit
wait,
right here.
I think I'm getting it. I don't want to. revolves. Alright, we're like done. Everything, we trimmed it, put some pieces on. I have to work on it tomorrow. I just wanted to show you the joy Jenny has of having to take this get up off.
Help me.
Help me.
Help me.
Oh, I'm supposed to help you. Wait, you're doing it.
I can't get my feet out.
You're doing it.
Oh, it's stuck.
You're doing it.
It's stuck right here.
I told you it's gonna stick.
I knew it was
Oh,
gonna
there we
stick.
go. It's coming.
I didn't even see the tights anymore. Let me out.
You're doing it. You're doing it. I assume you're gonna wear this all day at a convention of shorts.
I'm
Shorts.
gonna be sweaty.
Yeah.
Just imagine I have to like go to the bathroom during the convention.
You're like, zipper.
Help me.
Jenny, you got it. Here. Am I supposed to grab your foot
My
or something?
foot.
Like where? Is there a special spot?
Just grab it. Oh, there's so many holes.
Oh no. Mindy.
It's fine.
Oh, you did it. It is a lot of work. What's coming? We've got to call it a night. Thanks for watching the update on Jenny's fur suit. Man, it's going to be a while till we get that thing done, but it should look pretty good. We're doing pretty good. Shh. Boo is sleeping. Take care. We'll see you again. Pop them on real easy.
Bro, this ain't easy.
All right. See how easy?
See how easy